2, 1.
Hi, it's Claire, and today I'm going to be making chocolate from melted chocolate. First, what I'm going to do is I got this different variety of sprinkles, okay, and then what I'm going to do, let's put this up here.
Tell us where you are.
I'm about to put the sprinkles in the tray.
Where are you?
I'm in my kitchen.
Claire's Creative Kitchen.
Claire's Creative Kitchen.
And this will be on your YouTube channel, Claire's Creative
Crafts.
Claire's Creative Creations.
Yes.
That's how it was.
CCC. Then we're just gonna put whatever sprinkles in. I would like a little bit of these big ones, but mostly these small ones. What theme? How about Christmas? The theme is going to be Christmas. So we're mostly going to use red and green, maybe a couple white pearls, and then a lighter green, and maybe just a little confetti. Set these over here. Now, let's get it all together. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to put just a little bit. Like just a tiny sprinkle. There, in each. So the cool thing about this is there's big, tiny, and like huge. Now I'm gonna put the green. This is a little like this. Okay. Then we're probably gonna do just a little pearl. So we could just do this. Yeah, I'll pick that up later.
It's all good. No one ever said a creative kitchen is always clean.
I know. Okay, then second to last, or let's do this now. Green. I have never used this green before. It's just, let's skip that because that is hard. Let's go with the, yeah, I'll do this one. Here. Sprinkles. So, this is kind of like food glitter, but it's like sprinkles, sugar. It's all sugar. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put my melted chocolate in these molds. This is probably the hardest part. Where's my other spoon? Okay. Here. Try to do it this way. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay.
It's worth a shot.
Let's fill this one up a little more. This one.
And when you fill the molds, where are you going to put them?
I'm gonna put them in the freezer to harden, and then you can pop them out. Just pop them out, and they'll be like. By the way, this is a Superman mold. If I didn't already say that.
Where'd you get that?
It's literally an ice cube. An ice cube tray. So I got it from the top of the fridge.
Who in your house likes Superman?
My dad.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
filming.
He's awesome.
The camera.
Superman's awesome.
I guess Superman likes himself.
What did you send your daddy today?
Oh, I just got this texting app last night.
What? You texted your daddy?
I can text my mom and my dad. And
You
I'm
know-
hoping my next door neighbors.
You know what your daddy did about it?
But
He posted on Facebook of how proud he is of you.
Dad.
It was awesome. He is.
I'm talking about the man that's filming.
He is. I
My
know.
dad. Okay, I
Well, he's crazy in love with you. What's wrong with that?
I think I can get this last mold filled. If I can, it'll be amazing.
And it's customary when you're finished with the bowl, you send that immediately to your daddy so he can clean the bowl with his finger.
By the way, I put like several different chocolates in here. There's like a Crunch Bar. There's cookies and cream Hershey's. There's Hershey milk chocolate. There's like this little chocolate that I have no idea what it was.
Yeah, that's a good point. What is in that? What was in that bowl? All kinds
And
of
there's
Halloween stuff.
like another kind of crunch, but it's a different brand.
Cool.
But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle pearls on top
Oh, cool. Watch your sleeves.
and get this chocolate bowl away from me, or I'll ruin my shirt, my mom's shirt.
So tell us what you're going to do with them.
I'm gonna put them in the freezer.
How long?
I have no idea.
Tomorrow we'll check them.
Maybe right before I leave
Okay.
to go
All
to my
right. What do you want to tell your audience?
Adios, amigos. Oh, subscribe, hit the notifications button. Hit the like button, ding the notifications bell, and comment down below what you think I should make next. Bye.